Yeah, so we're gonna patch this little opening right here. My electrician came and he moved the wire over, so he makes an opening right here. I really was supposed to show you before I actually cut it out, but I'm showing you now. So I get a block of wood, put it inside here. I use this 2-inch screw, put it in here that I can hold this, and then I put these 4 screws in to hold this in place. And then I'm going to put this piece inside here. Now, watch what I just did. You see this piece right here? I cut it this big, which is much wider than this opening right here. And then I'm going to use this, and I'm going to slip it in here like this. If I slip it in here like this, it becomes not only the patch, but these sleeves becomes the paper that covers the actual hole. So you can use these to tape it in. All right. So I simply cut this back like this, break it off, and it creates this little piece right here. That's what I did with all 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I slip it in here like this. Bam. Then you get your compound and you slide it in, and then you just tape it out. Get it?